here alone. Now that I don't have you anymore, there's no one beside me to hold me, no one to whisper the words I love you. When I lift my eyes up to the sky, I miss your cheeks. The way you smile still stays deep inside my heart. You're really gone, and you will never come back. Can you hear me crying? Do you know how many tears I've shed? Do you know how much I miss you? I open the door and look at our bed, and my tears begin to fall, because your pants and your shirt are still here. Your necklace, the one you love the most, and your love will stay with me forever. I will keep everything inside my heart, even if you're gone to heaven, even if you never return. Can you hear me crying? Do you know how many tears I've shed? Do you know how much I miss you? Today you have left me behind. Now you're in another place. Today you let me go, and I'm here drowning in sorrow. Even if you're not here with me, your love still remains in my heart. If this world has another lifetime, please let us love each other again. Can you hear me crying? Do you know how many tears I've shed? Do you know how much I miss you? Please know that I still love you and still miss you. Please know that I still love you. I'm still here, still loving you. I still love you. I still love you. I still love you.